So I have my little bird friend here. Looks kind of scared. This is me shaking up the camera. I'm kind of scared for it too. But it's time to let it go. So let's let it go. Go ahead, birdie. Go ahead. Fly away. Your time to go. Go ahead. Did it hurt itself? Oh, go ahead. Fly away. Go ahead. Got a little frightened bird. Go ahead. Let's see if it goes up on a perch. Might be too tired. Wanna go up here? Go ahead, fly away. What do birds eat? Maybe I'll feed it. I don't know. I'm waiting for it to fly away, but it doesn't want to. I don't want to get near it again because it might fly off again. Well, that was a very interesting situation, but it's nice seeing that the bird got to be free. So, okay, well, I better get going then.